Hello mighty pirates! What are we going to do today? I'm really excited because this is the first time I'm going to record a video about this wonderful machine here. Look at this. Was my first computer. This is a wonderful Sinclair ZX Spectrum. And so today we're going to see how it works using this audio interface, this one, based on a chip named AY-3-8910. This is a wonderful new audio interface that expands and enhances the audio of this machine. And the main problem of the Sinclair ZX Spectrum was that it has no audio capabilities at all. I mean, everything is done by the CPU. So this wonderful audio interface comes with a games list, and today we are going to run the first game on the list, and it is 180. They say that is the first game that uses the audio interface instead of the original one, original CPU audio. So we are going to load this game by using a smartphone and an app called Play ZX that you can find on an Android store or Apple store. I don't know if it has it, and we're going to do it. So here we go. Okay. First of all, I'm going to load the program without interface because I'm really curious to see the game without the interface. I really hope you can hear that. It's a very low volume. I'm going to attach also the Spectrum to the amplifier, and that it's behind the camera using this jack here. So we're going to listen to the original audio because I'm going to plug this into the microphone plug here. And then we're going to listen to the new sound, which is supposed to be to do like this. Right, I'm going to wait. Oh wow. Okay, I'm going to change the batteries of the camera because it seems that it's going to be a really short video if I keep using it. See you soon. Here we go, new batteries. So I'm ready. excited about this. Okay. All right. Oh, right. Perfect. Let's see. I don't even know how the game works. This is the first time I run it. So up, down, left, right, fire. Let's say this. All right. 0, start the game. Okay. 1, tune up. Okay, so. Oh, can you hear the time? The stick. Oh my goodness, this is bad. Well, all right, not pretty nice shot. Oh no. Can you hear that sound? Which is nice. Okay, now I'm using the keyboard, but actually I don't think this is a good idea. I think it might be better if I plug the capsule interface the next time. Okay, enough. I think the audio is pretty clear, right? There is a tick. And when I shoot, there is a little beep or something. Do you hear that sound? Perfect. So now I'm going to load the game again, hoping that the game will use the audio interface because I don't take it for granted. Okay, let's do it. Oh well, of course, this wonderful machine and this wonderful interface, sorry, has got also the capsule interface, which is really nice because some games are more exciting with using the capstan. More easy to use, easy to play. Okay, very good. So I forgot to use my amplifier to listen to the original sound. Well, okay. First time I make this video, so a mistake is pretty normal. Alright, okay, perfect. Load again. Here we go. No. Oh my goodness. This is bad. Aw, damn it. Well, sometimes that happens. That happens. Oh. Well, we're going to start it from scratch, hoping that it won't happen again. This time seems to load better. So right now I'm really wondering why I got a tape loading error message. Of course I'm not loading from the tape as I said before, so this is really interesting that even if it was a smartphone playing, the game, playing the role of a tape, of a real tape, there was an error. Well, even more realistic, like it was happening 40 years ago. Very nice. Okay, just 1 minute to go. I'm so curious. Here it says 1986. So I was 12 years old when this game came out. And actually I don't remember that I ever played this game. That's so odd. Maybe I played it, but not so much. I'm really interested in the audio though, because I've seen the capabilities of this machine already in previous video. So there we go. So now I'm going to turn on the amplifier and okay, oops. All right, listen to this. Whoa. Oh my goodness, this is so cool. Spectrum is playing. Come on, guys, this is wonderful. I'm going to play and see what happens. All right, let's see. Oh no, just the intro. Just the intro. Everything else is like the original game. Ah, that's so bad. Well, I appreciate the effort to make the music in the background in the beginning, but I don't think this is enough. What do you think? Well, this is the end of this episode here, and soon I'm going to shoot another video with another game. So thank you guys for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.